Hi guys, it's Roo here from Prepare Camping, and today we're cooking slow cooked lamb kebab. It's quite an easy meal to cook this, and it's very handy if you're going out for a night on the beer. Gives you a nice cheeky takeaway for free when you get home. So, here's how we do it. So, simply add half a teaspoon of parsley, cayenne pepper, garlic salt, thyme, basil, marjoram, ground cumin, ras al hanout, which is a blend, oregano. Now for the ras al hanout. So, this is what you get in your ras al hanout. Coriander, paprika, black pepper, ginger, cardamom, allspice, nutmeg, turmeric, cloves, cayenne pepper. So pretty much everything I've already put in there, but hey ho. In this case we're using a Tefal 8-in-1 multi-cooker, so obviously it will differ for different devices, and we're setting this for 9 hours. So for you bunny rabbits in human form, you can add salad like my wife has cut up here. I'll just be having onions. Now, got to have a bit of hot sauce with your food. Then simply serve with either pita breads or wraps as we're doing here. And enjoy. Cheers. Kebab time.
There you go.
Mmm.